Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new here, then hello, my name is Amy and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm like just kicking back, chilling in my new armchair that you'll see when I do my room tour, when I finally tidy it up. Yeah, a little bit of a different setup, just chilling, you know. So for today's video, anyway, stop like getting distracted. I am doing I mean, you already know because you've clicked on the video, it says the title. I am doing a mystery box unboxing. So my friend Ramel does these all the time, and he does like fashion ones and gets like loads and loads of stuff in them, and like God knows what he spends on them. But I thought it'd be a really cool idea to do like a makeup mystery box, and I didn't have a clue where to start with this. Like, brush up someone down. I didn't really know where to start. Like, where do you find a mystery box? Where do you buy that? I don't actually know. So I searched on eBay, and I don't know, everything just looked a little bit sketchy, and I was like, no. And then I was looking on Depop, and I found like a company. Let me see what it's called, because then I can read out what they say as well. So I haven't opened this at all because I was like, I need to just have the first impression on camera with you guys. So the company, the person that I bought up it from is called Beautiful Mysteries. Hang on. Yeah, Beautiful Mysteries makeup mystery boxes. So basically, so they do a £30 box, a £50 box, and a £100 box, and I was like, if it does good and it's like a good box, then I will spend more money next time. So I just went for the £30 one. So we'll see what is in it. I mean, it feels bloody, like, it feels light, like it feels really light. So I'm like, I don't have a clue what could possibly be in there that is worth £30 that feels that light. And it says on the box, you can now order mystery boxes. This box is £30 and it will contain 3 items with a retail price of double the value. And it will be a mixture of high-end and drugstore with lots of exciting brands. This box will also include samples and free gifts. So technically, this box here, just giving out my address, this box here should technically have £60 worth of items in it, if that makes sense. On the page, they like, the boxes that they sell are like these, like they're like black with, I don't know, and then this came in the post, so I was like, oh, already I feel like I've been scammed. But we're gonna open it, and I don't know what to expect. Like, I mean, it doesn't feel like it's got £60 worth of clothes. It doesn't feel like it's got £60 worth of anything in there. It doesn't feel like it's got £30 worth of anything in there. I can't open it. And all of this should technically be free makeup. Free makeup? Can't actually talk. Oh my god, I'm really struggling. All of this should be like brand new makeup. Imagine if it had been used. Right, we're in. Okay, so you open it up. This is what it looks like. So first of all, there's a little thank you card in here. Oh look, and it says, "Hey Amy, thank you so much for ordering with us. We really hope you love your box. Please feel free to leave us a review. Can't wait to hear from you. This box has a value of over £55. Okay. So what have we got in here? We've got an Angel tester of perfume, but I do love that, so I'm going to use it anyway. Oh, I've got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost. What is that? Body gel cream and the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I don't know. 2 of those little things. I'll try them. I'm really skeptical, right? And then we've got, these are my things. I don't know what one to go with first. I'm scared, what if some of them have been used? Oh. Is this safe to use on my face? I don't know. Okay, so this is a Lancome lip liner. Let's open it. It's got plastic on, so that reassures me that it's not been used. Lancome. It's pink, and I feel like I'm not a pink girl. Maybe I can put it in my kit. Oh yeah, that's not my colour. Oh, it's very creamy. And then it's like a pencil, and then on the other side it's a little brush. What one should I go for? I'll go for this one. Okay, so we've got a Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip in the shade Poet. I don't like these ones because you can't tell if it's been I mean, again, it matches the lip liner, so I kind of see what they've done there. Yeah, you could tell that was new because it didn't actually have anything on the thing. I mean, that's a nice lip combo, but that's just not my colour. That is the colour. That is Anastasia Beverly Hills Poet. Can I do that as a giveaway now? Can I put that in a giveaway? I've not used it, but I've swatched it. I guess if you're a true subscriber, you'll see that I've not used that. I've just swatched it. So, right. Well, I don't really like anything apart from the Angel Tester so far. So, what have we got? Oh, a Real Techniques Brush Crush Diamond Sponge. Can't really go wrong with a sponge. I hope that's squishy. You know, some sponges are gross, like, not gross, but they're like bricks. Oh, come out. Ah. I reckon that'll be alright when it's wet. Okay. I don't mind the little sponge. It's quite cute. Little diamondy thing. Oh, I feel like I should have got a bigger one. That was like Christmas. Maybe I'll buy myself one for Christmas. That's a good Christmas present. You could get someone a little makeup mystery. Oh, just dropped everything. You could get someone a little like makeup mystery box. That would actually be a really cute Christmas present. Okay, so reviewing the items that I did get. So how much do these actually, I should add it up and have a little look. How do they make money doing this? Like, if you're a mystery box person, how do you make money? You must have like contacts or something. Or it's definitely going to add up, isn't it? 20 quid, that's probably what, about £10 probably. That's probably about, I don't know, £9. Oh my god, the lip liner is £19. Wow, that's 40 quid already. And then Real Techniques Diamond Sponge is £10. So yeah, that's pretty decent, to be fair. They said that it was going to be 60. How much is that? 10? £50. So not 55, they lied. But still, pretty decent considering I paid 30 quid. Oh my god, I've got hair. That's pretty decent considering they said that, like, considering I paid £30, that's pretty decent. I'm happy with the Angel Tester. Even if it is half full, I'll still take it. The sponge is nice. Like, I reckon once that's like damp, that'd be really nice, and it's like good for cutting, like getting right into your under eye. The liquid lip I'm probably going to put into a giveaway because it's just not my colour at all. Like, look how dark that dries down. I just don't really wear colours like that. And then the lip liner I'll probably just stick in my kit because can't really go wrong with a lip liner. Like, quite a lot of my clients like a pinky nude. But yeah, anyway, that was my first ever mystery box unboxing. That was quite fun. I wish I'd bought like a £100 one now so that I had more things to unwrap, because I quite liked it, like not knowing what was going to be in there, and the fact that someone else has picked it out for you. But anyway, I think that's quite a good little box. I feel like that would make a really, really good Christmas present as well. I hadn't even thought about that, even though it is the lead up to Christmas. I'm just so anti-Christmas this year, it's a joke. Like, it makes me sound like such a Scrooge. And I don't know, hopefully I'll get in the Christmas spirit soon, but right now I'm just so not with it. But yeah, I think that would make a really, really good Christmas present for a makeup, like for a makeup lover. And if you don't know what to get, then you could literally just go onto Depop or eBay if you wanted to, and get yourself a little mystery box. And I think they do, like, there was like loads of other people on there that had different ones, if you did want to go like for a cheaper version. But I thought 30 quid, I'm probably going to get like some nice stuff, but it's not too expensive if it is all shit. But I'm actually, it's quite good, just not stuff that I would wear, which is a little bit annoying, but it's fine because I can give it to you guys. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do want me to do another mystery box, but like a more expensive one, so that I get a few more things in it, please let me know in the comments below. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Bye!